Good evening. Hi, myself Ashish Kumar, and I take polity governance here in Vision IS. You must be knowing also to some extent. Now, before I start the session today, as usual, I will not do today that I'll speak and you just listen and go home. And some will talk to each other. I want you to talk to me if at all you have some query. है ना? Because ultimately you have come here for your purpose. आप अपने लिए आए हो ना सर? बोलो. Any apprehension which you have in mind regarding pre, please bring it out and bring out freely without any tension. Then I will speak what I want to say. जो आपको बोलना है, you can say, you have 10 minutes, whatever you want to ask, relevant of course, you ask. On polity, pre, this is for prelims, no? This is the open session for prelims, polity. बोलो sir. हाँ. Listen to others also, you will also get some help. इनकी बातें सुने और समझे. हाँ बोलो. ठीक है. The problem is what to study and what not. This is what you are asking, no? बहुत अच्छे. हाँ. Any other doubt? हाँ sir. You have to read. अच्छा, गवर्नेंस. लक्ष्मीकांत, अभी बताऊंगा मैं आपको इसके बारे में. एनी अदर थिंग? कीप. हाँ सर. हाँ ठीक है. वेरी जेन्युइन क्वेश्चन. Be as much as participative, it will be in your favor, believe me. Otherwise, I will speak from my perspective. आपका perspective जानना जरूरी है ना? Any question which is bothering you regarding pre? हाँ सर. Three options we know. हाँ. Okay. Very genuine question. हाँ. हाँ जी, राज्यसभा वाले एनी क्वेश्चन? सारे लोकसभा ही पूछ रहे हैं. बोलो सर. एनीबडी, एनी डाउट? बिना टेंशन के बोलो. द कैमरा इज ओनली फॉर द इंस्टीट्यूट एंड यू. कहीं और बाहर कोई नहीं जाएगा. Which articles? Any other question? Any other question which you feel is important? हाँ वो हो गया. I'll discuss that. वो लिख चुके हैं. हाँ. हाँ. हाँ जी सर, हाँ वही हो चुका है क्वेश्चन वाला, ए 7th। बहुत बढ़िया, यस यस। हाँ आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस राइटिंग। हाँ हाँ जी, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन और दिस इज इनफ? बी फ्री, बिकॉज अनलेस यू आस्क नाउ इट विल सर्व नो पर्पस ऑफ हैविंग दिस सेशन, वरना कोई फायदा नहीं है। मैं तो बोलना शुरू करूंगा, आफ्टर 1 minute आई विल स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग, 10 for 20 minutes आई विल स्पीक। न्यूज़पेपर से आर्टिकल कैसे उठाएं, हाँ वो हो गया। और कुछ? देखो, लेट मी टेल यू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल let me tell you the approach which has worked and which will work, because this way UPSC puts the question in exam, ठीक है? When I tell you the approach, at least 1/3 questions will be answered in the approach itself. ये देखो, I have to find some place, so I have to rub some things. Now see, for this let me start with this first. I'll explain this and then I'll rub them. Sources of current affairs. देखो, करंट अफेयर्स बहुत जरूरी है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी टेल यू, प्री में वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट जीएस पेपर 1, है ना? प्री में जीएस पेपर 1 and 2, पेपर 2 इज सीसेट, पेपर 1 इज जीएस। नाउ जीएस 1 और द जीएस पेपर, इट हैज हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस? It has got 100 questions. Out of these 100 questions, what is the range of questions from polity? Questions from polity will be in the range about 10% to even up to 22% questions can come. Means from minimum 10 questions can come, maximum it can go even up to 25 questions. 10% से लेकर 1/4 can be the weightage of polity, can be the weightage of polity. So it cannot be taken lightly. पहली बात तो ये, ठीक है ना? दूसरी चीज, this was about the weightage. Second thing is about source. आई एम टेलिंग यू दीज थिंग्स कीपिंग इन माइंड द क्वेश्चंस। अभी धीरे धीरे मैं मिटाता जाऊंगा, ठीक है ना? सोर्सेज ऑफ प्री, when we'll take the pre batch, I'll keep in mind that you are coming here for the pre part, okay? इसके लिए class notes and the same thing is class explanation which I give. Along with this, very very important is the book Lakshmikant. Now when I say book Lakshmikant, this is not to say that the notes are incomplete. This is the reason Lakshmikant has done a kind of, he has created a kind of problem for us. Problem किस लिए? Had Lakshmikant not been there, notes would have been enough. But Lakshmikant has compiled so many information there in the book itself that examiner will do what? He will also open Lakshmikant. भाई वो कहाँ से क्वेश्चन बनाएगा? वो भी तो लक्ष्मीकांत से बनाएगा. And Lakshmikant is such a beautiful book. It has covered almost everything. एक चीज की रिलेटेड सारी इंफॉर्मेशन उसने एक जगह डाली है. He has compiled all the relevant information at one place. Factual से लेके little bit of analytical also. Now, since the book is available, it is the chance that examiner who is setting the paper, he may also refer Lakshmikant and he may pick some information and may put that in exam. Now, you are now supposed to follow Lakshmikant for this reason only. ये book है, इसलिए हमें भी करनी पड़ेगी. It has a good compilation of everything. इसके बाद the third thing which is very very crucial is current affairs. In pre, current affairs is 50% of the pre and the remaining is 50%. Sometimes this 50% can even become 100% for the exam. For example, I have myself seen, and everybody sees, that people sometimes could clear the exam without much preparation. ऐसा नहीं था that they were not studying anything, but they studied only current affairs. Somehow it worked for them. कहने का मतलब ये, sometimes UPSC can make a lopsided paper where they give so much of stress on current affairs information. If you were good at current affairs, अब होता क्या था, some people they wake up later. Exam is after 1 month. They have not studied much. But then the will is there that I want to appear for pre with good preparation. तो क्या करेंगे? Now in this 1 month they cannot prepare the traditional part. So they take up current affairs. They take few magazines, drink them and answer. वो लग भी जाता है. इससे प्रूव ये होता है that current affairs is highly indispensable. ठीक है ना? अब sources of current affairs very important. पहली बात, current affairs के लिए best is daily you may read a paper. एक न्यूज़पेपर आप रोज पढ़ो. I am not saying that you make elaborate notes on that, but at least read the paper. उसको पेपर पढ़ना जरूरी है. Now which paper? As somebody asked me, I will say not Hindu, Indian Express. Once Hindu used to be a very good paper, but now Hindu is more filled with the criticism of government rather than keeping in mind the requirement of students. Whereas Indian Express is now coming up with more focused approach towards UPSC. They are even coming up with a whole paper called as Explained. In this Explained section, they explain a particular concept, keeping in mind the relevant information related to that issue. If you read this, this will not only help you in pre, this will also help you develop a kind of view on a particular issue. For example, on Uniform Civil Code, he may give you a full article. Now, when he will give an article, that will not be compilation of information. That will be about good and bad of Uniform Civil Code. That will be about how to go ahead with implementing Uniform Civil Code. ये आपको develop कराएगा views. And these views are not only relevant for mains. मैं ये बता दूं आपको. These views can also be used in pre, because UPSC exam is different than SSC. SSC asks for purely factual things, whereas UPSC will also ask you to apply the understanding behind the concept, which was not very obvious. Reading between the lines is the requirement of UPSC. Reading something or understanding something which is not visibly given is a requirement of UPSC. Pre में भी वो ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. अभी I will give you some examples also for this. ठीक है सर? Indian Express should be the source for current affairs. Now, if you can ask, you can say this also, that we are reading monthly magazine, so why should we go for paper? Issue is that once you have got primed with paper, एक बार आपने एक झलक मार ली पेपर की, then when you read the same thing from magazine, first of all, it will be assimilated easily. Secondly, it will be understood well. Getting me or not? भाई magazine में क्या होगा? For example, Uniform Civil Code. This paper on Uniform Civil Code will give you information for continuously 5-6 days. Now on 5-6 days, he will not keep giving you the same information. He will keep giving you multiple dimensions of that issue. Now, if you have understood all the dimensions, पहली बात तो this will prepare you for mains. But pre-module does not mean that you will not appear for mains. Ultimately, pre किस लिए दे रहे हैं? Mains भी तो देना हमने. And the time gap is less. So, do not first of all segregate pre from mains. पहली बात मैं बता दूं आपको. Pre and mains, do not set them different compartments. They are together. If you prepare for mains, that will be your preparation for pre, along with some additions. अभी मैं बताऊंगा आपको उसके बारे में. कहने का मतलब ये, Indian Express or any paper, if you are comfortable with Hindu, go for it. Cover paper daily. If you cannot make notes, at least read them. उसके बाद Vision Eyes, they prepare monthly magazines and a whole team is working on it. A dedicated staff is working on creating this monthly magazine. Go through it. They will keep in mind the requirement of exam. Let me tell you, whatever information they will give, that will be keeping in mind the requirement of exam. Nothing irrelevant will be given and everything relevant will also be given. Now the time is limited, otherwise I could have shown you that this magazine had covered 80% of the questions which came in exam. Magazine से ही cover हो जाते हैं वो. What is the other source of current affairs? एक debate रोज का देखो. Even for pre, I am saying this. Watch one debate daily. Because as my approach is, I never segregate pre from mains. However, one thing which we will giving to mains people, not to you, will be the level of analysis. जो मेंस वालों को दिया जाएगा वो एनालिटिकल विल बी मोर फोकस्ड, whereas for pre will focus on the traditional thing as well as factual, but the level of analysis will be relatively lesser. But then start preparing for the view building part also by reading the debate. Huh? Rajya Sabha big picture, if you have patience you can go through Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha TV. They go with very slow pace, no problem. But then I feel one channel should be avoided, Times Now. In fact, it does not give you information, it creates a kind of anxiety, as if you have taken 2-3 cups of coffee. Uske baad you have to calm down yourself. So better ye hai, you go through some debate which becomes meaningful also and productive. I feel NDTV, We the People or The Big Fight, or CNN, IBN, they are giving you good information also, along with some patient hearing to the person. तो थोड़ा सा कुछ काम आएगा ना वो. All India Radio, see, that much time is not available. All India Radio is also a very good source. For example, you're driving or doing something, and with earplugs on, you can have some information also. Yes, but then the time is limited. You cannot go for each and every source, which is good. So somewhere we have to draw a line. कि भाई ये हमारे लिए बहुत है. Okay, and I feel it is enough. एक चीज और, one thing which students mostly do a mistake, ये reports. On every alternate month, you will have a new report in the market. Report released by government or report released on government. ठीक है ना? Do not run after each and every report which is being sold in the photocopy shop. For example, second ARC भी बिकती है photocopy shop पे. For pre, you are not supposed to go through this. क्या? Second ARC. But and second ARC क्या? Even for example, Panchi Commission report on center situation, you need not go through that. Hota Commission report, need not go through that. These are relevant for mains. However, you should know what are the some traditional reports in market. For example, Panchi Commission came on which issue? Hota Commission came on which issue? Sarkaria Commission came on which issue? But what were the recommendations? You need not go through for pre. However, if a committee was in news, वो important हो जाती है. For example, recently when Jat protest took place in Haryana, there was this committee in news, Prakash Singh committee report. Now Prakash Singh committee report, at least go through the basics of it. Though Vision Eyes will also be covering it through the monthly magazine. But then this is your duty, if you get across. अब वो ये पूछ सकता है आपसे, प्रकाश सिंह committee was formed for what? है कि नहीं है? So you should be knowing all these things. Magar, this will be covered by the monthly magazine itself. So do not bother about this also much. Bother about two things. Indian Express monthly magazine and reading Indian Express daily. Roz padho. If you not make notes, at least go through it. Whatever I will take in class, for example, I take the class of president. If I take president today, that day itself try to revise it, go home and open Lakshmikant, open president, read president that day itself. He must have covered president in 2 pages or 3 pages. इससे क्या होगा? You will get the same thing which I discussed in the class, but then few extra facts will be given to you if you read Lakshmikant. So parallelly चलाओ उसको. Class notes Lakshmikant, parallelly. Do Lakshmikant the same topic which was done in class, same day. Iske upar nobody can beat you. If you have done enough practice of the question also. Okay, we are proceeding. I am not concluding right now. Okay, so as it goes, हाँ बोलो. मेंस की अभी बात मत करो, आप करो प्री की, है ना? This will deviate. What to study, what not, I told you. Do not study each and everything sold in market. Study only the relevant things. एक चीज और. NCRTs, I will say do not read NCRTs. Do not read NCRTs. Reason, when classes will be taken, I will keep in mind that I'll tell you the basics required. अभी इतना टाइम नहीं है that we can keep on reading NCERT also, these things also, paper also. We have to have a balance. When we can drive a car, why to ride a bicycle? सीधा हाँ. NCERT, what NCERT has given, the same thing is given in the notes also. तो डबल टाइम लगाने से फायदा क्या है? योजना I'll take up. अभी उसको I'll take up. But then Yojana, whatever Yojana will have relevant for the exam, it will be covered by the monthly magazine itself. I am just telling you, do not overburden yourself with much material. कहने का मतलब ये है, fix the boundary. Do not go beyond that. Otherwise, so there is no limit. Traditional polity I will be taking in class. For example, I will tell you, what do you mean by the word ordinance? In traditional polity, I will be telling you what do you mean by the term ordinance. ये मैं आपको बता दूंगा. Or for example, what are the constitutional provisions regarding ordinance? Who issues ordinance? Issuing ordinance is a legislative act or an executive act. These things I will cover in class. ठीक है ना? अब current affairs में, for example, when classes are over, ordinance can again come in the news. For example, अभी ordinance आया था ना news के अंदर. For what? Enemy Properties Amendment Act. उसमें आया ना ordinance word. Now it is the 5th time when he is repromulgating the ordinance. Now this becomes a news in current affairs. News with respect to ordinance. Traditional part will be given in class. Current part of ordinance will be given in monthly magazine. Up, only 3 things are required for pre. Just I want to tell you this. One is this traditional part, other is this current affairs part, and third is the GK part. GK polity हम बोल सकते हैं इसको. For example, they have this habit of asking these things also. Who was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha? पूछ सकते हैं, ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आ भी चुका है. Now this is not polity, this is GK. Who was the president who was elected unopposed? This is not polity, this is GK. How many times second round of voting has taken place regarding the election of president? This is not polity, this is GK. Now from where will you do GK? Options are there, but I can say one source which is commonly found also. एक book होती है, इसको कहते हैं Lucent. Lucent is a book on GK. Now it has divided, और छोटी वाली लेना, do not buy very bulky Lucent. There is a smaller version of it also. It has divided the topics, topic wise, polity, history, economics, इस तरह से. You open the polity part and it has given everything in one place. And even if you do not want to go through Lucent, Lakshmikant itself is enough. Because even Lakshmikant has given these informations. First president, second president, third president, who was elected unopposed, who was elected with second round of voting, all this. ये Lakshmikant में भी है. So what I mean to say is that, listen very carefully. If you are doing Lakshmikant religiously, then no need to go through Lucent also. ठीक है सर? Lakshmikant, monthly magazine, class notes. Content wise, nothing beyond is required. Let me tell you. माल बहुत है मार्केट के अंदर, but somehow, somewhere we have to make a line also, no? और उसके बाद preparation of prelims is incomplete unless you प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रैक्टिस। क्वेश्चंस इतने प्रैक्टिस करो कि प्रैक्टिस भी शर्मा जाए। समझ रहे हो सर? इतने। और इसके लिए क्या है, इन क्लास व्हेन क्लासेस विल बी ओवर, you will be given some kind of support. Well, they'll be giving you some questions after every class. So go through those materials. After every class, you'll be getting around a very small paper in which you will have daily 6 or 7 questions on the topic which was taken. And regularly, you will be given a bigger test also on that particular topic. If you are going along with me, along with those tests, then only God can stop you. Otherwise, तो कोई reason नहीं है कि आप रुकोगे. Then, why I say practice? When I say practice, it will serve two purposes. पहली बात तो when you practice one question, this will give you information, है ना? Because information is vast. No teacher can cover 100%. I say it openly. No teacher can cover 100% facts or 100% information, because information is limitless. So whatever is covered here, apart from that, some information can be delivered through the test. Tests are made keeping in mind the content of the class. So if you practice the question papers, you will not only get information, you will also get a pulse to choose the option. अभी किसी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा था, what if I know 3 options, I don't know 4th? ये तो बहुत सिंपल सिचुएशन है सर. What if you know 2, you do not know 2? उसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? आपको ये पता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4 ऑप्शंस गिवन, 1 2 3 4 options given. You know very well. देखो, if you do not know the answer, and this will be the case, if 100 questions will be there, then in 100 questions, if the paper is of the usual trend, then hardly there will be 8 or 9 questions which you will be sure about. कि हाँ यार, इसका आंसर तो undisputably I know. Remaining 80 or 90 questions, there will be some kind of dilemma कि पता नहीं ये क्या है, and you will be lucky enough if you will be able to eliminate 2. Here, use the approach of elimination. Try to eliminate the options which you know are certainly not the answer. For example, here you eliminated one option, and then you eliminated other also. 2 पता थे, 2 नहीं पता थे. But you knew that these 2 options are not the answer in no way. So बचा क्या? 3rd and 4th. अब क्या करोगे इसमें? 50-50. मूवीज में नहीं होता है, रेड वायर ब्लैक वायर, लाल काटू ब्लैक काटू, ब्लैक काटू लाल काटू, फिर एक काट ही देते हो, और बॉम्ब इज डिफ्यूज्ड. नाउ यू कैन से दैट बॉम्ब कैन गो ऑफ ऑल्सो. यस, बॉम्ब कैन एक्सप्लोड ऑल्सो विद दिस अप्रोच, मगर दिस इज द चांस वी हैव टू टेक. ऐसे तो हम सारे क्वेश्चन छोड़ देंगे. ठीक है सर? इफ, और एक बात और बता दूं मैं आपको, इफ आउट ऑफ दीज 2 ऑप्शन यू आर सिलेक्टिंग वन, it should not be blind guess. ये भी मैं आपको बता रहा हूं. There should be some kind of common sense application of the fact which you should be able to apply. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा that you will be just answering blindly. Some logic develops. जब आप पढ़ते हो ना चीजों को, then automatically a sense of intuition develops for that area. Apply this sense of intuition and select the answer. It could be wrong also. It may not be wrong also. But if you take one right answer, it will counter 3 wrong answers. So try to do as many questions. This is also one of the approaches. But I never say have a blind approach. Blind bet kabhi mat khulna. It should not happen that you do not know even an iota on anything and you pick one option out of 4. It can work, but it may not work also, and it will backfire very badly. ठीक है ना? Or if you are studying properly, if you are studying regularly, if you are studying religiously, then there is no reason why out of 4 options you will not be able to eliminate 2. Or possibility ये भी है that out of 4 you can choose the right answer also. You never know. It is up to your dedication level. जितना आप dedicate करोगे अपने आप को, the better confident you will feel on the exam. But UPSC is UPSC. They can break the confidence of any person. The only thing is that if you are in problem after studying so much, then believe one thing, that everybody else is in problem. तो जब सब problem में है, तो why to worry? Then take your chance. पढ़ाई करो बस, इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कर सकते सर हम लोग. समझ रहे हो? Do not take the tension that my schooling is from Hindi medium or Urdu medium, or I have never taken UPSC before. Hardly matters. हर टाइप का आदमी मिलेगा आपको. Just have one thing, have faith in yourself and do not bluff yourself. Coming to class should not become a kind of ceremony. तैयार होके आ रहे हैं proper for 1 hour and coming here and talking to each other and going back. Come here, dedicate yourself for the cause. Come here, be very attentive. Whatever word he is saying, Write that in copy, because that word can itself come in exam. This is, I'm telling you from my experience. Everything which is told generally, casually, sometimes comes in exam. Because what he is saying is from his own experience, which is only in the area of UPSC and has worked also to some good level. Come class, take down everything and then study hard and practice question. Bas, aur koi zarurat nahi hai. Then over to this. This is what is required for mains. अब for example, एक चीज होती है uniform civil code. There is something called as uniform civil code. Up in pre-uniform civil code, he can ask you uniform civil code which DPSP article. But uniform civil code is DPSP or not? He can ask you which directive principle, which article of directive principles relates to UPSC. Relates to uniform civil code. Now in mains he can put uniform civil code, but he will not ask you the article, or he will not even ask you DPSP. वो ये पूछेगा, applying uniform civil code, is it not the violation of right to religion under article 25 to 28? वो ये पूछेगा आपसे. Then you have to justify that no, applying uniform civil code is not about religion, it's about human rights. Up uniform civil code in pre he can make a different question. He will give you a question regarding uniform civil code, that applying uniform civil code relates to right to equality, right against discrimination, right to religion, right to life. What is the answer? Right to life. Uniform civil code is not only brought to maintain a parity among religion. The ultimate purpose of uniform civil code is preventing the exploitation of women. But uniform civil code किस लिए हम लोग लेके आ रहे हैं? Because it is said that in one community, the laws applied, personal law applied of that community regarding marriage, divorce, adoption are against the interest of women. For example, when in one community women is divorced, she is not given maintenance. अब इसमें equality का कोई issue नहीं है. When a poor lady who is illiterate also, she is divorced just because she could not cook properly, where she will go after that? Right to life threat में आ जाएगी नहीं आ जाएगी? This is also getting me or not? You have to choose the best option. And how, which is the best option comes only with practice, और कोई तरीका नहीं है. जैसे just now I told you, now you start applying this way, the same logic in other questions also. एक question और देता हूं आपको, जैसे for example, duration of the current, 1 year current affairs is must. For example, if the exam is in June, then last May to this April is must. पिछले May से लेके this year April is must if the exam is June. I mean, you can afford to leave the publication which covers the topics of May, but then certainly you have to cover up to April. And if somehow you can even cover May, it is good for you because this will help you in mains after that. तो अखबार पढ़ने में तो कोई बुराई नहीं है. But then this is to be done without any compromise. And now UPSC has got a habit that it is also asking questions which came 2 years ago in news. But then we cannot prepare ourselves for every eventuality. This is also reality. So this is basic minimum. Do this. If you have time, you can cover 3-4 months previous news also. But then this is required. और एक साल में भी time इतना निकल जाएगा that this will be enough. I feel so. बाकी UPSC क्या कर दे? We cannot be, prepared for 100% of the things. That is also a reality. Which is the article which is relevant for pre? Any news which is coming up will automatically have some information on pre. अभी जैसे कि some 3-4 days back, there was a publication in newspaper regarding the challenging of Kaveri Water Tribunal decision in Supreme Court. अब ये issue ये था, this paper mentioned both the articles. उसने बोला that when river water tribunals are formed, under what provision of the constitution they are formed? Under what provision? Article? बोलो यार. 262. तो ये important हो गया ना? This article got reflected in paper. Now this is your duty to open Google, put article 262 कि ये है क्या, which has come in news, and see. Now he can ask you the same question using this information. भाई पेपर तो वो भी पढ़ रहे हैं ना. उसके बाद not only this, in the same article came one more article of constitution, article 136. What is 136? Special leave petition. Means you can challenge a judgment in Supreme Court which otherwise is not allowed to be challenged with the permission of Supreme Court itself under Article 136. Now, though I will also be covering this in class, but then this is the duty of every aspirant, not to depend on the coaching for 100%. Let me tell you, coaching will give their best, but if you want to give your best, then do your best, not only by depending on them, but doing your own homework also. ये homework है. कोई भी article दिख गया, open the Google and see what it is talking about. But I am not saying every article which you come across, every article which is coming in news should be read, क्योंकि वो examiner पूछ सकता है article 136 relates to what. ये तो news में था ना. So this way you have to see which article is relevant. Do not try to read every article. For example, if today Akhilesh Yadav and Mulayam Yadav, they were hugging each other, then this has no relevance. Slowly you will start understanding this. वो धीरे धीरे समझ में आएगा आपको. When you come to class, I'll put questions in front of you. Then you will automatically understand what is to be read, what is not to be read. For example, this I told you. What was important in this article? 136 है तो क्या है? अगर 136 is special leave petition, then what is the meaning of special leave petition? You should know this. ठीक है sir? This way you have to find out the relevant. Moreover, much analysis at this stage is not required, but you should at least go through the analysis once. This will prime you for mains. एक चीज और, that never make this mistake of segregating them. If you prepare, देखो, traditionally I said this traditional polity is for pre as well as for mains. रास्ते कटते हैं कहां पर? Here. The richer analysis which will come in debate and paper is to be not focused much. नजर मार लो, उसको साइड रख दो. But for PT, class notes, ये traditional class notes है, current affairs and GK, वो भी लक्ष्मीकांत में है. This GK is also in Lakshmikant. This is enough. Do not bother yourself beyond this. How to read with respect to bills passed in the parliament. Any bill passed in the parliament, जैसे कि UID bill, if it is passed in the parliament, it becomes even more important if there was a controversy attached to it. For example, if government passed UID bill as a money bill, then you should not only read about UID bill, you should also read about what is money bill and how this bill should not have been a money bill and how this bill could have been a money bill. What are the powers of parliament regarding money bill? What are the powers of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha regarding money bills? ये हो जाता है आपका what to read with respect to the bills passed in the parliament. Read those bills which passed in the parliament which were pending in parliament for long, or if there was a controversy attached to the bill, or that bill has a larger implication for the country. For example, GST bill. GST bill, if passed in the parliament, you cannot afford to leave it, or this will be taken care not by you. Monthly magazine, ये फिर monthly magazine में cover होगी. So do not worry about this also. Which bill is important? It will be decided by the institute. आप बस उसको पढ़ो. Whatever bill they are discussing, you go through it. Whatever policy they are discussing, go through it. For example, they may discuss something called as national litigation policy. Now, national litigation policy is not very new. It's old. Those are 10 ki hai. But then it has again become relevant because Pradhan Mantri Modi, he touched this issue in one of the speeches which he gave. Now, national litigation policy will not to be read by you. It will be covered in the monthly magazine. Just go through it. Do not open the website of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha or any other website to go through the bills. ये काम बिल्कुल मत करना. This will eat away your time. Do not try to gather much of content. Limit में रखो अपने आप को. Google, yes, use it, and Google everything only for 15 minutes, not more than that. Do not try to become a content developer. वो तो है. They are working on it. Use the work they did. Any new scheme which is replacing the old scheme, try to see why this scheme is being brought, why it was replacing a previous scheme. क्या आप उस scheme में नहीं था जो scheme में है? If Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan was there, why we started Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? What were the basic goals of Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan and how it differs from the goal of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? Now this will help you in pre as well as in mains. तभी तो मैं बोल रहा हूं बार बार, do not think that pre and mains are different. Combined preparation है. When you prepare for mains, add some facts, pre तैयार. When you prepare for pre, add some analysis, mains तैयार. Okay, both are to be taken simultaneously. ये diagram ही समझ में आ जाएगा. हाँ जी, हाँ, ये एनालिसिस डिबेट सुनने से, न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने से. नाउ बिफोर आई रैप अप, बिकॉज दे आर सिग्नलिंग टाइम इज अप एंड सम अदर पर्सन विल आल्सो कम, लेट मी टेल यू फ्यू थिंग्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, प्लीज बाय द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स. प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर आज ही खरीद लो. नॉट बिकॉज सेम क्वेश्चन कैन कम इन एग्जाम. कैन सेम क्वेश्चन कम इन एग्जाम? यस, सेम क्वेश्चन कैन ऑल्सो कम इन एग्जाम. और ऐसा हुआ भी है. Line to line, same as it is. Questions have been repeated number of times. 10th schedule, 2 बार आया हुआ है question. DPSP, same question has come twice. And same question can come again and again and again. But then it is not only for the question getting repeated, it is about the pulse of answering or the approach of answering which develops. UPSC has a different style of questioning, and answering it requires a level of analysis. Something which is appearing to be right to us is wrong actually. अब आपसे मैं, for example, I put you a question. One, two, three, four. You can even answer multiple options. बताओ सर, basic object of Panchayati Raj institution was people participation, democratic. You can even go for multiple. One, two, three, four. ये देखा? पंचायती, हाँ, वन होगा. मतलब हाँ, ए है ना. बेसिक मतलब द पर्पस फॉर विच पंचायती राज इंस्टीट्यूशन वाज फॉर्म्ड वाज नॉट टू जनरेट मनी, वाज नॉट इवन टू ब्रिंग अकाउंटेबिलिटी. हाउएवर, मनी इज जनरेटेड, yes, accountability is brought, yes, but that was not the purpose for which it was formed. पर्पस जिसके लिए बना था वो था सर ये. These were outfalls of it, है ना. अब ये कैसे है? I know what you said is also right because this has been read. मगर क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहे हो? बेसिक ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ PRI for which it was formed. अब ये कैसे आता है? This comes when you practice the answers, questions. बस. It is very easy. प्री से डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Practice questions, study hard, and then everything is easy. This is all I can say in this session because time is also limited. If you want to ask, I give you half a second. पूछ लो. हाँ सर, जल्दी. Huh? Sir, I cannot say this, but then I can say only this: attempt as many as you can, but not too blindly. With some logic or sense of intuition. Clear? Thank you very much. Class के बाहर मिल लेना. Governance नहीं पढ़नी आपको. Lakshmikant, governance do not read. Not only for pre, no, for mains also do not read it. It's of no use. बट लक्ष्मीकांत प्री पढ़नी है आपको. थैंक यू.